Hey guys, welcome to another video. So, I am so sorry about yesterday. I was supposed to put a video out, but I didn't. And it's not because I didn't film one. I actually did film a video, but it didn't come out to my standards. Like, the look was cool and stuff, but the angle was ugly and I was super tired. And I watched the whole video and I was like, you know what? I don't want to put this out. It's such a bummer video. Like, my energy was so low. But I have rested and now I have woken up and I am 100% energized to make this video. So this is part 3 of the Nars Provocateur Palette. So like I mentioned before in the other videos, I'm gonna do something a little bit more punk rock, and I thought today why not do a fun smoky eye. So I'm gonna do a super dark dramatic smoky eye, and we'll see, we'll see which colors I pick and stuff. I have my cat castle next to me. If you're wondering why sometimes I don't have the cat castle, it's because it's nighttime and I put one of the soft boxes on top of it because I don't have a tripod. One of them broke. So I use the cat castle as a tripod. But when it's daytime, the window light, the light coming from the window serves as a soft box, so I can have the cat castle here. So we'll see if my cat will, come and hang out at some point. So let me zoom you guys in real quick. So I'm gonna start out with the Nars Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. And now I'm gonna use vinyl for, to kind of prime the lid, put it all over, and I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown Pubic Hair in the 90s brush. Here's a palette, okay? And at this point, I don't know if using vinyl all over it's helping me. And it does help with blending because it'll make blending a lot easier. But I don't know if the shine helps, if it makes it too sparkly. So to sketch out the shape of my eye, I'm gonna use Exploit, which is like this brownish, reddish, pinkish, shade. And I'm starting in the inner crease and I'm moving it back. And I want most of the concentration of color to be on the inner part because I want the eyes to have more expression. I'm gonna lightly bring it outwards. And now with the little mini Luxie brush, I'm gonna use the same shade and I'm gonna apply it on the bottom part of the eye. And I'm trying to go for like a dark look. So in punk rock, like in the 80s, they did a lot of graphic lines and very dark shadow application. This is gonna be the softer side of punk rock, So I'm not gonna do any graphic, like super crazy eyeliner today. Just smoky ass. Okay, now I'm grabbing the purple, which is not for sale. I'm just gonna start building the intensity. I'm gonna bring that to the bottom now. This color is actually pretty dark and I'm kind of like it a lot. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build this color over here, kind of connect it on the V, but I'm gonna leave this part open. I might put something in the middle there, and then I'm gonna really make this area right here super dark. So we're just gonna work with that shape. And what I'm gonna do is sharpen the edges a little bit. So I'm gonna grab a little brush, a smudge brush, and a little bit of water. Oh my god, it's coming out really, really nice. I'm actually impressed. I didn't know it was gonna come out this cool. Now I'm gonna mix it with some other shades for kicks and giggles. So I'm gonna blend a little bit of smash it up on the corners just so there's a little bit of, you know, difference between the lid. And then for the rest of the lid, I'm just gonna use vinyl and call it a day, I think. Okay, I'm gonna apply some mascara and some eyeliner and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So you can see it's very graphic, very defined. I actually enjoy this look a lot. Let me zoom out and give you some final thoughts. Okay, so this was the look for today. It's super cool. I like it how angular it is. It has like this cool heavy metal type of font to it, you know, font swag to it, and I think I did pretty well. I mean, it looks really, really cool and very striking in a way, but it's all done with shadow, so there's no super harsh lines. It's all like smoky lines, and it's just contoured at the right areas. I think for the next video, I'm gonna do something a little bit more sparkly because I haven't used this one shade in the palette yet. It's called Screech, which is this one over here. So we'll play with that a little bit next time. And maybe I'll do something with the red again, because the red is such a cool shade. And my cat did not come up to the castle, so I'm gonna get him, and he's gonna be in the outro. BRB. Who said you couldn't show pussy on YouTube? Okay guys, well I'll see you on the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up if you like this type of videos and I'll make more. If you have any questions or comments, you can put them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I have a new video. And like and share, please and thank you. I'll see you on the next one.